So my sister is over right now. She's been using my internet to study. I walk out to grab a Lego set that's on the ground behind me. The first thing she says when she sees me is like, "Hey, do you want to get pizza for dinner?" So yeah, definitely having pizza for dinner. But I do have to... Where's my phone? Oh, right. I'm using it as a camera. I do need to tell her quickly what pizza I'm after. But I will show you the set first. It's so big, I don't think it's even going to be in frame on this camera down here. That's the... No, I don't think she is watching. Yeah. That's the 7,000 block... 7,000 plus block Millennium Falcon. That's the one that Troy's got as well. So... I think... I'm going to need to... When I get to building that set, I'm going to have to move this camera like further back and further up because I think that set's going to take up the whole table most likely. So that one's going to be really fun to do, but it could take me quite a while to get it done. Okay. Let's see. I'm probably going to wrap up stream now and get this pizza ordered. We got 2 very awesome Lego sets completed. Honestly, I thought one set would take me the whole stream, but now I know that 2 of these smaller sets I can do in one stream. Yeah, I was curious what people would think of the stream, because it's definitely a lot more chill than the Minecraft, and Minecraft was already very chill. Except for the Mimics. The Mimics are not chill. They have no chill. So thanks for hanging around, everyone. Thanks for sticking around and chatting. Yeah, so I want to do one of these Lego streams once a week. Probably going to be every Wednesday. And every Wednesday morning, I'll chuck up a vote on Twitter to like decide what set I'm going to build. So I think if I do exclamation mark socials, I think that's the command. There we go. There's my Twitter. So if you guys want to help choose the next set that we build, that's where I will be doing that. All right, let's see. I don't have a Discord set up. I actually need to write a list of all my commands. I have a few, but I don't remember what they are. I need a list for myself. All right, let's see who's around to raid. Let's see, are any of the usual Minecrafters? Credius is playing. That's pretty much the only one that I know. If anyone has any suggestions on who to raid, my ears are open. I'm still getting to know people on the platform. Thanks, Alien. It's great having you in chat again. Alright, who have you got? Who have you got, Teeks? Victoria's joined. Okay, what are they playing? Hey Slay Life, how's it going? Thank you for the follow. We're just about to wrap this stream up, so sorry if you only just joined the stream, but it's starting to get to food time around here, and I am very, very hungry for some pizza. Alright, let's raid... Yeah, let's raid Victoria. Victoria's joined. Raid. I still haven't figured out a raid message yet. I'll have one probably by the end of this year, I reckon. Okay, let's see. I hope I've spelled that correctly. Yes. Thanks, Tarius. You have a great day. It's daytime over your time zone, right? Wait till you see this. Oh my god, that's terrible. I love it. Imagining Flight of the Conchords business time, but with pizza instead. I've not seen much Flight of the Conchords. I need to fix that sometime. All right, fine. We'll go with Teague's suggestion for a raid message. Wait till you see this. Just replace the Elliot hearts with whatever hearts you have. And if they hate the raid message, blame it all on Teagues. Alright, everyone take care. I will see you all probably tomorrow. I'll probably get into some more Minecraft tomorrow. Okay. Let's go. Thank you for doing some mod stuff for me, Teagues. I really appreciate it. Bye everyone.